Hi, this is Fran. I'm the founder of The Paris Photographer. I wanted to thank you for choosing our studio, and I hope that you had a great time with my team. Now that my studio manager sent you the proofing link, you have to put in your email, your name, and we'll send you an automatic email that will allow you to always access your selection. So I'm gonna follow the steps with you just to show you how it looks. Put in the code that you see here. Is it TTU? Okay, there you go. And you register. And it says, awesome, you're in. But before that, let's quickly look at the email that we have just received. It says event registration confirmation, and there's a link in it. Please keep this email preciously because it allows you to find the selection that you have just started, and you don't have to restart it again. You can continue the selection, later in the day or on another day. Then you just hit OK, and then you can get access to the gallery. Here are all the images that your photographer has taken. You can go through the images just like this. You just go through them, see which ones you like. It's like, okay, let's say I like this one. There's a heart next to the image. It says favorite. Simply click on it and it becomes blue. And there's another button next to it that says see all, but we haven't selected that many. Let's say we like this one. Let's go through it a little bit faster. It's like, let me see. Oh, I like this one. And maybe there's like there are several images in a certain pose that you like, and maybe you're gonna select two that are similar, and then at the end you can always see all of them and remove the images that look similar but you can't decide between them. Okay, so for example, okay, let's say like you said, like, okay, I want to choose from here, but then I want to jump to a different section. Let's say maybe we select one with the pigeons, or we select something from a different maybe from here, and etc. And when you, let's say maybe one from here, and then if you want to see all of the images that you have selected, you click on see all, and you will see all of the images that are in your selection. Okay, so you have a certain number of images that are included in your collection. You just have to pick these images and then let us know when you're done. If you like more than the number of photos that are included, you can select additional images for editing, and it costs €5 per each additional edit. Just let us know how many you have selected additionally, and my studio manager will send you an invoice. Or if you haven't done it yet and you would like to write an honest testimonial about the experience of working with us, that will allow you to get 5 additional edits. And then I wanted to also, let's go back here, also mention that if, for example, you like a lot of images, or you like them all and you want to keep them all because they don't require much editing, or simply they are just beautiful memory of your Paris trip, you have that option too. Just let us know. We have an offer. In the next 2 days you will get the high resolution unedited images at a discounted price. Just let my studio manager know. We'll send you a payment link and you'll be able to download all of these images to your computer. I think that's about it. I hope that it's easy to pick your favorites. If you have any questions, feel free to write us a quick message and we're gonna help you. Thank you. Looking forward to your selection.